Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Mi 11 Ultra, and I'll show you how to take screenshots without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the additional settings. Now just go here to the gesture shortcuts and now just take it up to the take a screenshot section. Here you got a switcher, just tap once on the switcher and then when you will just slide with your 3 fingers down on your screen. By the same time you can take a screenshot, and you can also descend the screen, and also when you'll just tap here on the screen you can change the screenshot size by this way, and also you can just here enter the text, you can change the colors, and when you will just save, then I'll show when you can just find these screenshots. And also we got here the second way. We got here the knuckle double tap switcher. Just tap once on the switcher, and when you just will double tap with your knuckle on the screen, you can take a screenshot by the same way, and by the same way you can just edit the screen and save or delete the screen. And now I'll show you where you can find the screen. Just launch your gallery and here go to the albums section, and here as can you see we got all our screenshots in the folder with our screenshots. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.